The best way to handle this question is to rewrite 350. So let us do that. K to the power of 3 plus K is equal to 350 could be written as 343 plus 7. This implies that K to the power of 3 plus K is equal to, also I can rewrite 343 as 7 to the power of 3 plus 7. This implies that. Now let us move each of these constants to the left hand side. So we have K to the power of 3 minus 7 to the power of 3 plus K minus 7 equal to 0. Let's continue. This implies that we can put these two guys in brackets. So we have K to the power of 3 minus 7 to the power of 3 in brackets plus, also let us put these guys in brackets, K minus 7 in brackets equal to 0. At this stage, let us record this very nice identity. It says whenever we have A to the power of 3 minus B to the power of 3, this equal to A minus B times A square plus AB plus B square. Take note of this identity, very important. Applying this particular identity, this guy, if you do that very well, you're gonna have K minus 7 times K square plus 7K plus 7 square plus this K minus 7 equal to 0. Let's proceed further. You will notice that something is very common on this line. What is that? K minus 7 is common. We can factor it out. So we have K minus 7 into this. What is 7 square? 7 square is 7 times 7, 49. Close the bracket. Plus, this now becomes what? It becomes 1. Because K minus 7 times 1 gives back this. Let's continue. This implies that K minus 7 times, let us drop this bracket. So we have K square plus 7K plus 49, everything equal to 0. K minus 7 times K square plus 7K plus 49 plus 1, 50 equal to 0. This implies that K minus 7 is equal to 0. K 50 is equal to 0. You will see that it is very obvious from 7. This is the first solution. K equals to 7. Now, let us consider this quadratic equation. If you look at it carefully, you will see that it is not factorizable. Let's solve it using quadratic formula, which is K equal to minus B plus or minus the square root of B square minus 4AC divided by 2 times A. From this equation, A equals to 1, B is 7, C is 50. So we have K equal to minus, what is b? B is 7 plus or minus the square root of b square. If you plug this value of b here, we have 7 square minus 4 into a is what? A is 1 into c is what? C is 50. Everything divided by 2 into a is equals to 1. Let's proceed further. K equal to minus 7 plus or minus square root of, what is 7 square? 7 times 7, 49 minus 4, 4 times 50, that is 200, 200, all divided by 2 times 1, 2. K equal to minus 7 plus or minus square root of 49 minus 200, that is negative 151 divided by 2. Let's proceed further. K equal to minus. I can rewrite square root of minus 151 as square root of 151 times square root of negative 1 divided by 2. So the value of k equal to minus 7 plus or minus square root of 151. Now recall, from the complex number, we know that square root of minus 1 is equals to I. So we have to replace this guy with what? With I. We have I here divided by 2. This implies that k is equal to minus 7 plus root 151I divided by 2, or k equal to minus 7 plus, sorry, this will be negative sign, 1I divided by 2. You will see that we have two complex solutions, two distinct complex solutions, which are these two guys, and real solution. We have k equals to 7 to be the only real solution, and two complex solutions. That's it for this video.